Keystone Folding Box is proud to offer the ECOSLIDE-OTC, the most significant packaging innovation for over-the-counter medications in decades. Consumers have struggled to open OTC child-resistant blister packs since its introduction in the 1970s. Frustration with the difficulty of peeling back the foil was widely reported during consumer insight interviews. Opening the ECOSLIDE-OTC to access medication is simple. First, remove the tearaway panel on the right side of the carton. Next, press and hold the safety button in the corner of the package while sliding the blister card forward. Then, a tablet can be easily pressed through the foil. After removing a dose, the blister card slides securely back into the carton. The ECOSLIDE-OTC closely follows the design of the widely successful prescription package, the ECOSLIDE-RX. Introduced in 2012, over 250 million ECOSLIDE-RX packages have been produced and sold through retail pharmacy channels. In addition to being easy to use, the ECOSLIDE-OTC is both cost-effective and environmentally friendly. Replacing a typical blister package with an ECOSLIDE-OTC easily reduces the amount of plastic needed in the packaging by up to 50%. Even more remarkable, switching from a retail bottle to an ECOSLIDE-OTC can reduce plastic use by up to 75%. As both manufacturers and retailers are adopting sustainable packaging initiatives that underscore the importance of reducing the use of plastic, the ECOSLIDE-OTC is a long-awaited remedy for sustainable medication packaging. Request a sample or learn more from the Keystone website at www.keyboxco.com.